In this video, I'll show you how to use Expedia at the airport. So if you need to use the Expedia at the airport, you have to just open your mobile browser and search for expedia.com and visit their official website. And you can visit their official app from the Google Play Store and install it and open it. And after visiting their official website or opening their app, you can find a dashboard like this, and in the dashboard you will find the option trips. So after tapping on the trips option, you will find your trips details and your destination, your trips time, your flight, everything here. But the Expedia trips option is now asking me to start exploring because I have not booked any trips yet, but your trips will shown here. But if you don't find the trips here, you have to tap on the find your bookings option in the below, and then you have to just give your number here and continue with it. By tapping on the continue, you will find your bookings in the Expedia trips option. So here's how you can use the Expedia at the airport. Thank you.